Stop trying to clear your beliefs. It doesn't work. Yes, this is the absolute truth. Stop trying to clear your beliefs right now. And the most surprising part? This was revealed by an extraterrestrial. It may sound unbelievable, but many people who have followed his teachings have finally been able to change their lives and overcome problems that once seemed impossible. This being is called Bashar, and for over 40 years, he has been channeled by Darryl Anka, sharing profound knowledge about how we create our own reality. He teaches that you don't need to eliminate old beliefs, you just need to choose new ones. And this simple shift in perspective can completely transform your life. If you've tried everything to get rid of negative thoughts and recurring patterns with no success, this video will show you what actually works to change your reality. If your reality is a reflection of your beliefs, how exactly does this process work? Bashar explains that the reality you experience is a projection of your internal beliefs. It does not happen to you, but through you. To better understand this, imagine that your beliefs are like colored glasses. If you wear red-tinted glasses, everything around you will appear red. If your beliefs are rooted in lack, all you will see is scarcity. If you believe that people are dishonest, you will constantly find evidence of deception. But if you change your lenses, meaning, change your beliefs, the reality before your eyes will shift as well. Reality responds to your vibration. Bashar teaches that every belief carries a specific vibrational frequency. The universe does not respond to what you want. It responds to what you vibrate. And your vibration is determined by what you believe to be true. If, deep down, you believe you are not worthy of what you desire, your vibration will reflect that belief, and as a result, you will experience obstacles. But if you change that belief, your frequency shifts, and reality begins to mirror this new version of yourself. Now that you understand how your beliefs shape your reality, an important question arises: how can we change our beliefs and, in turn, transform our lives? Now that you understand that your reality mirrors your beliefs, it's important to see how this cycle plays out in real life. Bashar explains that our beliefs create emotions, which generate thoughts, which shape our actions, which, in turn, create experiences. In other words, it is not your experiences that shape your beliefs, it is your beliefs that shape your experiences. Let's look at this in action with a practical example. Imagine someone who believes that people are dishonest. The belief is, people are dishonest. The emotion generated is distrust and anxiety. The interpretation of reality is, small actions from others are seen as betrayal or manipulation. The action is, the person becomes defensive, distant, or even aggressive. The experience is, others react to this defensiveness with coldness or even dishonesty. The result? The person reinforces their original belief, creating a self-perpetuating cycle. Now, let's see what happens when the belief is replaced with a new one. New belief: I attract trustworthy people. New emotion: confidence and peace. New interpretation: small mistakes or misunderstandings are no longer seen as deception, but as normal human flaws. New action: the person becomes more open, receptive, and friendly. New experience: as a result, they attract more positive interactions and trustworthy people. The belief changed, and reality changed with it. As Bashar says, your experience does not define your belief. Your belief defines your experience. This means that if you change your core belief, the entire cycle reorganizes, and your reality begins to transform. Now, if our beliefs shape everything around us, how can we reprogram them to create a better life? How to change beliefs according to Bashar. Since reality reflects our beliefs, transforming our life starts with consciously changing what we believe. Bashar teaches that we do not need to heal an old belief, we simply need to identify it, consciously choose a new one, and align our energy with it. Here is the process he suggests. Step 1. Identification. The first step in changing any belief is recognizing what you already believe. To do this, observe the patterns that keep repeating in your life. What do you keep experiencing that you don't like? This reveals an underlying belief. Ask yourself this question. What must I be assuming to be true for this to keep happening? For example, if you always struggle financially, you might be carrying the unconscious belief that money is hard to earn. If your relationships are frustrating, you might have a belief that I am not worthy of love. Identifying these beliefs is the first step to transforming them. Step 2. Conscious decision. Once you recognize a limiting belief, you do not need to fight it or try to erase it. Bashar teaches that, at any moment, you can simply decide that something new is true for you. Here's a quote from Bashar. At any moment, you can decide that something different is true for you. This means that instead of trying to eliminate a negative belief, you can simply choose a new one that aligns with the reality you want to create. For example, if you believe that money is hard to earn, don't try to convince yourself that this belief is wrong. Instead, choose a new belief, such as, money flows to me in unexpected and effortless ways. When you consciously decide on a new belief, you begin to send out a new vibration to the universe. Step 3. Aligning with the new belief. Choosing a new belief is not enough, you must act, feel, and vibrate as if this new belief is already true. Here's a quote from Bashar. Act as if the new belief is already true. This means your actions and emotions must reflect this new reality. For example, if your new belief is, I am worthy of love, then you behave like someone who already believes this. You do not accept less than you deserve. You treat yourself with respect and self-love. When your actions, thoughts, and emotions align with this new belief, the universe naturally begins to reflect this vibration back to you. Now you understand that your beliefs do not reflect the world reflects your beliefs. If you want to change your reality, first change what you believe about it. Which belief do you recognize in yourself that is shaping your reality right now? Leave a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to keep learning more about Bashar's teachings and how to transform your life, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Oh, and don't forget to like the video so this content reaches more people. See you in the next video.